Imagine walking through a peach orchard, the sweet aroma filling the air, and trees heavy with golden fruit, ready for harvest. Ever wondered how millions of peaches are grown in the US each year? Behind every juicy peach is a story of dedication, innovation, and nature's balance. Georgia, California, and South Carolina are at the heart of peach farming, with ideal climates and rich soil, perfect for a bountiful harvest. From spring blossoms to summer's golden fruit, peach farming is a blend of science, tradition, and the hard work of passionate farmers. But what really goes into growing the perfect peach? Let's uncover the incredible journey, from seed to harvest, of one of America's favorite fruits. Every delicious peach begins its journey as a tiny seed. But can any seed grow into a perfect peach? No. Farmers carefully select seeds that are best suited for specific climates and soil conditions. In the US, peaches are mainly classified into two types: clingstone, typically used for canning; freestone, preferred for fresh consumption. Peach seeds require a specific temperature and moisture level to sprout. That's why before planting, seeds undergo a stratification process, where they are kept under controlled temperatures to stimulate natural growth. But do all peach trees grow from seeds? In commercial farming, most trees are grown through grafting to ensure higher yields and disease resistance. When the seedlings or grafted saplings reach a suitable size, they are transplanted into the fields. But preparing an orchard is no easy task. Soil testing, proper fertilization, and precise irrigation all play a crucial role in the final quality of the fruit. Peach trees don't need excessive water, but timely irrigation is essential. Modern farmers use drip irrigation and mulching to conserve water while ensuring trees receive adequate moisture. As peach trees grow, they face multiple challenges. Unexpected weather changes, pests, and diseases pose serious threats to the crop. To protect the trees naturally, farmers introduce beneficial insects like ladybugs, which feed on harmful pests. Additionally, they use biopesticides and low-chemical sprays to keep peaches safe and healthy. In spring, peach trees burst into vibrant blooms, one of the most critical stages of farming. If these flowers aren't properly pollinated, no peaches will form. Bees and other pollinators play a vital role, transferring pollen between flowers. If natural pollination is insufficient, farmers even hand-pollinate to ensure a good yield. After pollination, tiny peaches begin to develop. This is a delicate stage. If too many peaches grow on one tree, they won't reach the right size. Farmers use thinning, removing excess fruit to allow the remaining peaches to grow bigger and sweeter. Peach harvesting is a delicate process because picking too early results in hard, flavorless fruit, while picking too late makes them too soft and prone to spoilage. Farmers determine ripeness based on three key factors: color, a balance of yellow and pink shades; firmness, a gentle squeeze should feel slightly soft; aroma, a ripe peach has a strong, sweet fragrance. Unlike some fruits that can be machine harvested, peaches require careful handpicking to prevent bruising. Farmers gently grasp the peach and twist it slightly to detach it from the branch. Each peach is picked one by one, ensuring that only the ripest ones are selected. Gloves are often worn to protect the delicate skin from scratches. Immediately after harvesting, peaches must be cooled to preserve their freshness. If left exposed to warm air for too long, they ripen too quickly and become overripe. Peaches are stored at 32 to 40 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 to 4 degrees Celsius, to extend their shelf life. While some go directly to fresh markets, others are sent for further processing. Each peach undergoes strict quality checks. Those with blemishes, excessive softness, or deformities are separated, while the best ones move on for sale or export.